This is Chad from Blueberry Ridge Outdoors. We're at the Firewood Frenzy today up in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Checking out Stihl chainsaws and Wolf Ridge splitters. Follow along and check some equipment out. Here I am trying out the MS400 Pro Saw. As you can see, it has good power going through about a 12-inch oak log. I really like the MS400 and it comes in at about $600 less than the 500i. I think the MS400 is a good bang for your buck and can run up to a 25-inch bar if needed, and it comes in at a pound lighter than the 500i. Here I am running the 500i with a 25-inch bar. It has tons of power to cut through this oak. It is a powerhouse next to the MS400. If you want a saw that you can run a 36-inch bar on occasionally and like to power through wood with a 25-inch bar, then this is the saw for you. Both saws started right up and ran flawlessly. Here we're watching the Wolf Ridge 17 VSC vertical wood splitter. As you can see, it's very efficient. Be great for bundle wood or anybody that likes to split with a table. It's got a log lift on the right. That's very powerful. It lifted that oak chunk up with no problem at all. As you can see, you operate it with your foot. Keep your hands free to move the wood around, and you can split any size you want. You can just split them in fours. You can split them as small as you'd like. You could even use this for mini firewood. It has a conveyor on the left-hand side, so you can conveyor it into a trailer or into a tote, whatever you want to move your wood around with. Pretty slick. Plenty of power. Enjoy. This is his first time running the machine, and as you can see, there's a very short learning curve. It's a pretty simple piece of equipment. As you can see, like everything else that Wolfridge makes, it's built very beefy and it's built to last a long time. So it's a good investment. If you split bundle wood, this is probably a good option. For more information on this splitter or his other horizontal splitters or conveyors, go to wolfridgemanufacturing.com and watch other videos on other models. Check them out. They're a good quality, made in the USA made splitter. Just got back from the Firewood Frenzy. I hope you liked the video. If you did, click the like, smash the subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.